Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel DIY Savvy Mommy, and welcome if you're new here. In today's video, I'm baking Christmas cookies. This is the first time I'm baking Christmas cookies, so I'm super excited and super nervous also. So without further ado, let's begin. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and let's begin. So today we are baking chocolate chip cookies, and for that I've taken half cup of softened butter and I've divided into two parts. That means 1/4 of the butter I'm going to mix 200 grams of granulated sugar and I'm going to beat it with a whisk. You can use a whisk or an electronic blender as well, and I'm going to beat it until super fluffy and smooth. The other portion of the butter I'm going to put half a egg into it, the entire large egg, and I'm going to beat the butter and the egg together. I'm going to use a whisk initially to just soften the butter a little more into the egg white and the yolk, and then with the help of the electronic blender I'm going to whisk it until super fluffy. And friends, today I'm participating in the Christmas cookie collab, and it's hosted by Brenda from Monner's Market and Annie from Indiana Jones. I have linked the channels in the description box below along with the playlist, and there are many more creators who are all making cookies today, so do check them out. Once the butter, egg and sugar are well incorporated, I'm going to mix everything together, and then I'm going to mix the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. I've added half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and it's already smelling so good. Next, I'm going to take 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of wheat flour, and I'm going to fold it into the mixture. Now with the help of my fingers, I'm going to knead a very soft dough for the cookies. Since I have used whole wheat flour, the mixture is going to turn slightly brown, but definitely this is a healthier version compared to using entirely all-purpose flour. And next is the chocolate chips. So definitely I'm going to put some chocolate chips, depends on how much chocolate chips you would want in a single bite. And also it is said that if you mix chocolate chips or any ingredient in your cookies or cake, just coat them with a little bit of flour so that everything doesn't settle down and you can relish the cookies and the fillings in every single bite. So I have just dusted the large chocolate chips with a little bit of flour and I'm just folding it entirely in the mixture. So now that my chocolate chips are entirely incorporated into the cookie dough, I'm going to place the cookie dough in a cling wrap, and I'm going to nicely fold everything together and wrap it and place it in the refrigerator for around 2 hours. So basically this is the first time I'm making cookies, so I did a lot of research and I didn't want to make it a disaster. So every single step I'm just keeping in mind so that nothing fails. And it is not necessary to refrigerate the cookie dough. However, it is said that if you refrigerate, the cookies flatten a little bit less, so yeah, in the shape remains intact. So we'll see in a while how it turns out. Do let me know in the comment section below if you refrigerate your cookie dough or not, and for how long. So here's my cookie dough absolutely ready to go inside the refrigerator and rest well. So the cookie dough has rested well for around 2 hours in the refrigerator. Now I took it out and I'm going to shape it in whatever the desired shape I want. So today I'm making two shapes. That is one, the regular circle cookies, and the other one I'm going to make it into a triangle. And these will turn out into Rudolph the reindeer cookies. You can use a triangle cookie cutter also to shape your cookies and make them even in size, but I had only two cookie cutters and they were in the shape of a gingerbread man and a Christmas tree. So I thought, why not make a triangle with my hands, and maybe the next time I'm going to try with the gingerbread man and the Christmas tree shape. So let's see how it turns out. So for the circle cookies also, I'm going to knead the dough very gently onto my palm so that a nice smooth circle shape is formed, and I'm going to flatten it a bit so that the cookie spreads evenly. And now for the baking part, I have prepped the oven. I have preheated it for 10 minutes on 160 degree, and here are the cookies that I'm placing 3 because my oven is a little smaller, and I'm going to do them in batches. So I baked the cookies at 160 degree centigrade for around 8 minutes, and they are super fluffy, so beautiful to look at. And now is the time to decorate. I let it cool it off completely without doing any kind of decoration. I'm taking papero sticks, and I'm going to just push it onto the triangle part of the cookie to make the horn, the antlers of the reindeer. And I'm going to take 2 M&Ms for the eyes of the reindeer and one red M&M for the nose. The next part is decorating the circular cookie, and for that I've taken a piping bag and I'm going to fill it up with Nutella. You can skip this part entirely. The cookie with the chocolate chips already tastes amazing. I have tasted it, it tastes yum. And but I wanted to give it a Christmassy feel, so I'm piping Nutella in a piping bag. I'm just going to cut it off a small portion, and I'm going to make wires on the cookies like this, and I'm going to push some colorful M&Ms on top, and they're going to look like Christmas lights hanging onto the wires. So this is the best and the most fun part of making cookies, that I'm taking time to push M&Ms into the soft cookies, and they look adorable, they smell delicious, and the taste is superb. Definitely try this out, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. So I'm just putting the M&Ms straight so that they look like the festive Christmas lights, and you can see that it's coming together and it's looking lovely. I'm going to do the same thing on several other cookies also, and I think they look adorable. Do let me know which out of the 2 cookies was your favorite. Now if you want to gift these kind of cookies, you can definitely put them in jars and also in small gift boxes, and I think they make superb adorable handmade gifts, and I think everyone is going to like them. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching today and my first time baking cookies. I simply enjoyed, and I'm sure I'm going to make more of these. And my daughter is very happy today. She's like eating so much of cookies and sweets and M&Ms that I'm worried, but definitely before Christmas I'm going to bake it again. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I really appreciate all your beautiful comments, and I'll keep working hard to make fun videos for you. So please do encourage me with a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I shall see you all very soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.